How to edit shortcut Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to edit shortcut Snapchat. This is going to be really quick and easy, so let's get started. Let's open Snapchat, and from the Snapchat camera, just take a picture or take a video, it's up to you. But once that's done, you should see Send To at the bottom right corner of the page. Tap on Send To, and as you can see, I have two shortcuts on this page. You can see them on the left top corner, and there should be a plus sign next to them. So tap on that plus sign, and you should see this pop up at the bottom of your screen. It says Edit Shortcuts. So just select which shortcut you'd like to edit. Let's say this one. And on this page, you can add anyone you'd like to be added in this shortcut. Like let's say for example, this one I want to add her. And then if you want to remove someone as well, let's say this person, just tap on that account until the check mark is removed. And another thing you can do here is you can change the shortcut emoji. So tap on the emoji at the top and then just change it to whatever you like. So let's change that to this. And before you click on save, let me just tell you as well that you can delete the shortcut by tapping on the garbage can or trash can icon at the right top corner of this screen or of this page. But once you're happy with all of the edits you've made, just tap on save, and you should get a confirmation that the shortcut has been updated, and you can even see that the emoji already changed as well. And so as the members in this shortcut. And that's how easy it is to edit a shortcut on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.